Okay guys, final weekend of rifle season here in Western New York. It is December 6th, Saturday. Heading out right now by myself, running solo again. I've been running solo quite a few days this year. Seems like just is what it is. A lot going on with work and school and everything else. You just got to roll with it. So heading out tonight. Does only. At least 2 if I can get 2. That's kind of my goal. I just have not been hunting at all really the last week and a half. So I did get out a little bit over Thanksgiving, but just really didn't have an opportunity to really even get out and really try to hunt hard and get any deer in the freezer. So this is kind of it for me. I'm right back to work again Monday. So we'll see what we can do. So got the 243. And I'm going to get up in one of my favorite stands here, and this stand is pretty good for late season. A lot of people in the area I know are hunting this day and kind of kicking the deer around. A lot of them get pushed in different blocks, so where I sit is kind of a cut through little funnel area, and every time just about I've sat there, it's been a really good, especially late season, like end of rifle weekend. So see what we can do. Let's get up in the stand real quick. Well, this is where I'm going in, guys. Good sign here. Heavily traveled trail right here. But this is how I gotta get into my stand. They are really using this trail. So luckily I can get in really quiet here. Get up in my stand, and I got the last 3 hours. So 3 hours of light. Hopefully we'll see something here. There's my stand right here, guys. 10 yards away. Beds. They've been in here quite a bit. Really good sign. There's another one. Literally right under my tree. Right here. Can't get any closer than that. Oh, there's one right there, guys. On the hill. Little buck. Just jumped a little buck. I can see horns on him. I gotta look at him through my scope. Literally laying right next to my tree. Crazy. He just went over the hill. He's laying right here, right on these fallen trees, right next to my tree. So, man, crazy already. Hopefully I got him on video enough for you guys. Let's get up quick, let things settle down. Gotta have this. Scent is going behind me over here, which is perfect, because they always come right here. So should be good night. was by herself, the best I could see, and she was up on top of the hill, and I just couldn't get a shot at her. And she kind of went up over the top of the hill, and I don't like when they silhouette up on top of the hill. So I'm gonna hold off for now. Maybe she'll come back, we'll see. Well guys, it's the end of shooting light. Nothing else came through, so I'm gonna go ahead and get down and take a look at her. Let's go see her. Alright guys, I'm down. I'm gonna go see if I can find this thing, and hopefully it's not too far of a drag, because I got a lot of fallen trees back here and there's just no way. It's pretty thick, so I'll be dragging at least for a little while before I can get to the wheeler, and probably half of the distance I gotta go is gonna be a drag. So let's go find her. Here's the pine tree, and she was right here. Somewhere. Always looks so much different when you're on the ground compared to up in the tree, but I believe she was right here. Right there, guys. Nice. Alright. I don't know how good you guys can even see, but good shot right there. Perfect kill zone. Alright, well, filled a doe tag. That's the good part. So, gonna get to dragging. So, like I said, I got a little bit of a drag, but not too bad of a little doe. Cool. Alright guys, it's the following morning, Sunday, December 7th. This is the final day of rifle season here in Western New York, so fingers crossed. We'll see what happens this morning. I plan to hunt hard. I plan to hopefully fill a doe tag or two. That's all I'm hunting for. Colton will be hunting with me this afternoon, not this morning. He definitely needs to get some rest. He's been extremely busy with sports and things, so I'm going to let him sleep in a little bit. But anyways, I'm heading out right now, guys. It's just a bit after 6, so Should be a nice cold morning. Should be a lot of people in the woods this morning. So let's see if we can get it done. Well, it is an extremely quiet morning this morning. Luckily the snow wasn't too crunchy. Just enough to walk in quietly and get set up here. So got about a 5-minute walk to get into my spot here. So let's see. We can get in and get settled well before it gets light out. It is so dead silent out here this morning. Crazy how quiet it actually can be sometimes. It is just dead silent. No squirrels, no anything yet. Should be a good morning. Final morning, a rifle. Just got shooting light right now, so let's see what happens here. Well, it's almost 8 o'clock and only a few shots this morning. Very weird in the woods. I expected a lot more shots this morning. It's starting to snow already, and they said it would be here about 9 o'clock. We're supposed to get about 3 inches of snow today. It's going to snow for the whole entire rest of the day, especially this evening, so that's going to get crazy. But yeah, we'll sit for as long as we can here, see what happens. Alright guys, we got deer probably about 100 yards out, 120 maybe, out behind this brush right here. I'm not sure if they're going to come this way or not, but looks like a bunch of does running through. Here's some shots in the distance now. I think they're starting to get moved around, but hopefully they'll come this way. There's one of them there, guys. There's a doe there up on the hill, finally. See if I can get a shot at it here. Just couldn't get a shot. It was on top of the hill. It was kind of silhouetted. I don't like taking shots if they're silhouetted on top of a hill. I kind of like when they come down the hill a little bit. So I know I got a good backdrop, but we'll see if it comes down this way, or maybe there's some more up there with it. Alright guys, I sat till 10, didn't see any more deer, just those does, and they were up on top of the hill. I'm just not going to take a shot at deer on the top of the hill. I just don't like doing that. Yeah, it was nice seeing some deer though. The snow is coming down hard, so I'm going to get down, go get warm, and get ready for the evening sit tonight. Hopefully I'll be out a little earlier, and hopefully Colton will be with me. We'll see what happens. So one last chance at getting a deer with a rifle this evening, so hopefully we'll see. Alright guys, me and Colton are out for the evening set, Sunday, December 7th, Final day of rifle season. Shots are already going off, so this is going to be it for us. I got the 243. Colton's going to film for me, and we're going to see if we can get it done tonight. Hopefully some deer will come through, and if not, we'll be back out starting this coming week with muzzleloader. But this is it for rifle season, so we'll see. Well, guys, it's the end of shooting light. No deer, surprisingly. Very surprising, actually, that we didn't see anything out here. The winter weather's here. It's snowing hard, so we can barely even see because of the snow. So we're going to go get warm, and that's the end of rifle season for us in Western New York, though. So it was fun. Unfortunately, we didn't fill as many tags as we wanted to, but we'll be back out with muzzleloader very, very soon. So hopefully in just a few days. So let's see what we can do, guys. Stay tuned, keep watching. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.